Hello and welcome to the section 3 of the course Cross-Site Scripting Attack. It is also called XSS. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. We will learn about what is cross-site scripting attack, their types, and how we can perform this attack in the web application, and we will also take a look at the mitigation techniques. So let's start with the video XSS Attack Overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about what is XSS attack, and we will also take a look at the overall process to perform this attack in the web application. So now if we talk about the XSS attack, in this attack, attacker injects malicious code in application. So it is similar to SQL injection, it looks like, but actually it is not. The difference is very simple, that this attack actually targets customers of web application. So in SQL injection attack, it was targeting the database of the website or application and gather sensitive data from there. But in XSS attack, it actually targets the customer of the website. How targets? So that I'm going to show you here in the process. This is the scenario. So you can see on the left hand side attacker, on the right hand side the customer of the website, and in the middle you can see the website or application. The first step is basically attacker finds out the vulnerability is available or not. So attacker can take help of various kind of web scanners to check if it contains the XSS vulnerability or not. If it is available, then attacker will insert malicious scripts in the web application. This is the first step. Second step, when a customer visits that particular web page or the website, right? So it will execute the script, and with the help of that script, the attacker is able to gather the session cookie of that particular customer. So this is a basic scenario of XSS, that how attacker can gather information about the cookie of that particular customer. Now if we talk about the cross-site scripting attack types, so there are three types of XSS attack. The first is stored, second is reflective, and third is DOM based attack. So these three are the types of XSS attack. Now if I talk about the stored XSS attack, and stored is also called persistent kind of XSS. Persistent means it is a permanent attack. Permanent means basically attacker can insert the script permanently in the web server. So whenever any customer will visit that particular page, the script will execute automatically. So you can see here that in this attack, scripts are permanently stored in the server. That's why they are called stored or persistent kind of XSS attack. Now if we talk about the reflective means, as the name defines, that in this attack the scripts are reflected off the server. For example, in the form of the messages or error messages from the server. So the messages should include the payloads that will execute in the browser of the customer. So that is called reflective. They are not permanent. DOM based, basically this is document object model. In this attack, basically this is client side attack, not the server side. So in this attack, payloads are executed at the client side and they can change the DOM environment easily. So these are the three types of XSS attacks available. Now if I talk about the scripts, what kind of script attacker can insert. So there are various JavaScripts are available which can be used to insert. For example, this is the first script open, alert, then inside the message or the function document.cookie, and then script close. So with the help of the script, attacker can gather information about the cookies of that particular customer. Second is, you can see script alert, hello, script close. So in this attack, the attacker can generate the pop-up in the browser of the customer and the message will display there hello. So these are the examples of XSS attack. Now how we can perform these attacks? So that we are going to cover in the next videos where we will perform practicals, and in the final video we will learn the mitigation techniques.